How about a British drop top? Little Roadster 1974 Triumph Spitfire 1500. This particular car has had a repaint. It was originally a French blue car, though, 126 paint code. So similar color. I'd say the blue is maybe a shade different. So has had a repaint. As far as paint quality, I wouldn't call it a trailer queen by any means, but presentable. I mean, if it's one you want to take out and drive, have a little bit of fun with, I don't have to worry about taking it down the road because everything's so perfect. This is it. Still looks nice. Still looks very presentable. Of course, these front bumpers would be on the American versions due to safety requirements. I'll also say, as far as in this video, the paint, it fades out a little bit just due to the lighting and the way it's filtering the light on the video and sometimes the pictures. It's almost a little bit brighter powder blue. Now you can check out the still pictures so you can get a look at it from every angle. Check out the underside interior engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, now they called these a Spitfire 1500, was actually the first year of that model. And in Spitfire land, the later models, a lot of people liked them because they're a little more reliable, a little better daily drivers. And the 1500, actually the 1493 cc engine in it, ended up being considered Spitfire 1500s. That'd be a clamshell hood that'll open up. We'll check out that engine and see how that hood works here at the end of the video. I'll start it up, let you hear it run. Of course, that'd be paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, black vinyl interior, black vinyl top in like new shape. We'll fold that up too at the end of the video so you can check that out. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a good look at the chrome and the bright work on it. I would say goes along with the condition of the car. Looks, again, presentable. Would I call it a trailer queen or a 10 out of 10? No, but wouldn't be afraid to take this to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. See, it's riding on the Spitfire wheels. Let's go ahead and check out the interior a little bit closer, and I'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This one sounds like it may have a little more aggressive exhaust on it. Got a little bit of a bark to it, considering the engine size that you're dealing with. The seat's in nice shape. There's a few, I don't know if you can see it, just a few little spots. It's not really holes or tears, just maybe a few little wear spots, if you will. Carpeting, everything looks good in it. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Key is down underneath the dash right here, if you can see it. Fires right up. Let it warm up here just a tad. I haven't had it running at all today. We'll give you a look at the dash. The dash looks pretty stock. Alright, just make sure we're in neutral here. I mean by a little more aggressive exhaust, you can hear that. Back so you can hear it run here. Of course, the one exhaust pipe coming out the rear, as you can see.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right. Hood's locked up. There you go. You can see suspension components all been detailed, cleaned up underneath there. idea of it running. Now I tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood up, or hood up. We'll pop the top up so you can see the condition of that. Let me slip around to this other side so you can see the carb too set up on this. Sorry about that. Like a pierced intake. Casting on there. All right, let's pause this a second. I'm going to get that top up so you can take a look at it. Button the hood back up there. Flip the top up to get an idea of this. Like I said, the top is in like new condition. Vinyl top. Of course, buttons in the back here, latches in the front. These you want to unbutton. Right here unbutton, fold back when you put the top down so it fits down lower the way it should. You can see how nice and tight it is up here in the front where the latches are. It's going to keep you dry if you get caught in a little inclement weather, but how many times are you going to drive this with the top up? 1974 Triumph Spitfire 1500. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.